And outside the Beltway this week, the Arizona Supreme Court upheld a 160-year-old law that bans nearly all abortions in the state. No exceptions for rape or incest, and it may be possible to prosecute doctors under the Civil War-era law. The decision split the state's all-Republican Supreme Court that was expanded from 5 to 7 justices by Republican Governor Doug Ducey in 2016. Why is this happening now? Well, the century-old law is what's called a zombie law. What are zombie laws? They are old laws on the books that for one reason or another they become unconstitutional or unenforceable. And for 50 years, abortion laws, like the one in Arizona, it was rendered unconstitutional because the Supreme Court said there was a constitutional right to choose to have an abortion. But when the court reversed course in Dobbs, these once dead laws were, like zombies, able to rise from the dead and roam the earth once more. The Arizona decision echoes a similar decision made by Florida's Supreme Court just 2 weeks ago, paving the way for the state's 6-week abortion ban, but also putting the question to voters in November, allowing them to decide whether there should be a constitutional amendment protecting the right to choose. This is going to be a major topic leading up to November. As you may recall, Trump promised to appoint Supreme Court justices who would overturn Roe, and he delivered, perhaps becoming the most successful pro-life politician in modern American history. Before the Arizona decision came down, Trump said, quote, "Whatever states decide must be the law of the land." But now, after the Arizona decision, he appears to be backtracking on that.
Mr. President, did Arizona go too far? Did Arizona go too far?
Yeah, they did, and that'll be straightened out. And as you know, it's all about states' rights. That'll be straightened out. And I'm sure that the governor and everybody else are going to bring it back into reason, and that will be taken care of, I think, very quickly.
What do you think about Florida?
Florida's probably maybe going to change also. See, it's all it's the will of the people. This is what I've been saying. It's a perfect system.
Arizona voters are working on getting the issue on their ballot as well this coming November.